Totality is everything. Some people say, when I go to my total true home, what about people I've left behind? There will be no people. They're all there. You'll be surprised. Nothing will be left behind. People say, if I go to totality, will I have other people in other places left behind? That's our nature of journey. Then they don't understand totality at all. Totality is total. There's nothing outside of it. This universe is there. The dream universe is there. Higher universes are there. Everything is there. Therefore, when a human being appears with an awareness of all levels in totality, he is at all levels of experiences at the same time. Very different from us. We are confined to one level. He is aware of totality. Therefore, when he says we are all one, he's talking of another level. Not this level. When we try to imagine we are one with the mind, it doesn't work. But when he says, he's telling the truth. Because we are all part of the same source. So that is why this is the real spiritual path. To discover the true self. To discover who we really are. That's what we are. We are totality of consciousness. We are all really one. The whole creation is one. Not only we are one. Everything, this flower, this glass, this table, this physics, these are universes. They're all part of one. That's what totality is. That's what a reality is. That's what we call our true home. Sachkhand, that home of truth, lies there. And imagine what takes us there? Our own seeking. Nobody else. Nobody else can take us. Our own seeking within our own self. When we seek within our own self, Master appears outside. We seek inside, Master appears outside. When we are ready, he comes forward and says, let's go, we are ready. When a Master says, let's go, we are ready to go home, we say, we are waiting for this. That's what we are seeking, to go to our true home. And he says, go within yourself. That's the route from the physical plane. The Master is present when we see him outside in a physical form. He is present all the time when we see him in the inside form. He is completely with us at all other forms. Ultimately, he and the Master and our soul are the same. That's the spiritual path.